You know why I love that so much is because, family, you will know a giver from a taker in a minute, because a taker will always have their hand out, while giver will have their hand up. I hope you got the dishes on this one, because that's heavy. When someone has their hand out, they always have it open for something, or something that they feel that they deserve or they're entitled to. Versus a giver, they're not really looking for anything in return. All they want to do is see your success, because they know if you are successful, again, they have the opportunity to be successful. Listen, as a project manager, your reputation really depends on being able to really be a giver, not in a giver of when we talked about earlier. What I mean is that not being misused, but being used in a way that supports the project, because now this really truly impacts the project opportunities, as well it enhances your career trajectory. All right, let's move on to point number 8. Point number 8 is being able to adapt strategy.